If you spent more time looking for the trails rather than driving the trails, here's how to find the perfect trails all inside of onX Offroad. So first things first, we're gonna open up onX Offroad on our mobile device here. And right away, you're gonna see highlighted trails in the color of green, blue, red, and black. All of these trails have been tracked by onX Trail Guides. Now, if we tap on any of these trails in your area, it's going to bring up a lot of important and helpful information to help you plan your next trip. You're going to start to see things like trail difficulty, vehicle type compatibility, trail length, trail elevation, and probably the most important piece of this puzzle is whether that trail is open or closed. You can also switch to things like Satellite and Topo View. A personal favorite of mine is 3D maps when it comes to planning your trip and potentially finding campsites in the area. onX Offroad is like having a full-time trail guide and GPS all right in your pocket. Here is an additional pro tip if going into a new area. Have your crosshairs in that general area. Tap the Discover tab on the bottom left, and you will have a list of discoverable trails in that general area. Now, if we tap into any of these trails, it's going to bring up our overview for this trail, including technical rating, total time, distance, elevation, accessible by, a full trail description, and then trail photos as well. You can also click into trail reports, nearby trails, and then lastly, weather for all your trip planning needs. onX Offroad is the easiest way to find new trails and to know exactly what you're getting into. So you spend less time driving and looking for trails and more time doing what you actually want to do.